Honorable Advocate of the President of the Senate, Honorable Mnangagwa, the Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Shomona, members of the presiding officers panel, our chief whips here present, senior officials of Parliament, members of the media fraternity here present for the press conference by the Honorable Speaker. I was just whispering to the Speaker that I didn't know we had such a huge press conference present in Zimbabwe. Because when I came in, I anticipated to see five or so journalists, but I see the house is full. Without wasting much time, may I invite the Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Advocate Jacob Francis Mndenda, to address the media. Honorable Speaker, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
And special greetings to the media fraternity. This press statement is premised on the constitutional requirement that behoves the Speaker of the National Assembly to make and inform the public and the nation in general about the transition from the time of resignation of His Excellency the former President and what needs to follow. In summary, that's that. So I'll read the statement to yourselves. I recognize the President of the Senate, Honorable Mnangagwa, the Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Chinomona, I think in absentia, the Deputy President of the Senate, Honorable Chimtengwende, the Chief Whip of ZANU-PF, Honorable Matuke, and the Chief Whip of MDCT, Honorable Gonese, Deputy Chiefs here present, the Clerk of Parliament, Mr. Chokuda, Senior Managers of Parliament, and members of the media fraternity here present, thank you for coming. Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, Comrade Ara Jim Garvey, resigned as President of the Republic of Zimbabwe on the 21st November 2017. In terms of Section 96, subsection 1 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. I have since gazetted General Notice number 652 of 2017 to inform the public of this development accordingly. That gazette is on our parliamentary website. Furthermore, I have received a letter from the Zimbabwe African National Patriotic Front Party, ZANU-PF, in terms of paragraph 14 subsection 4B, as read with paragraph 5 of part 4 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of Zimbabwe, which provides as follows. I quote, notwithstanding section 101, but subject to subparagraphs 5 and 6, if the person elected president in any election referred to in subparagraph 1 dies, resigns, or is removed from office, the vacancy in the office of the president must be filled by a nominee of the political party which the president represented when he or she stood for election. A political party which is entitled to nominate a person in terms of subparagraph 4B must notify the Speaker of the nominee's name within 90 days after the vacancy occurred in the office of the President. And thereupon, the nominee assumes office as President after taking the oath of President in terms of section 94, which oath the nominee must take within 48 hours after the Speaker was notified of his or her name, unquote. In the letter referred to above, ZANU-PF has notified me that the Central Committee of ZANU-PF met in a special session at the party headquarters in Harare on the 19th November 2017 and resolved that, and I quote, in the event that Comrade Robert Gabriel Mugabe resigned or was impeached, Comrade Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa was appointed as Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, ZANU-PF's nominee to fill the vacancy in the office of the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe in terms of Part 4 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Amendment number 20, paragraph 14, subsection 4B, as read with paragraph 5, unquote. Accordingly, Parliament has informed the Chief Secretary to the Office of the President and Cabinet of the nomination of Comrade Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa as the nominee in order for him to make the necessary administrative arrangements for the taking of oath of President as provided for in section 94, as read with the 3rd schedule of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. The Chief Secretary to the Office of the President and Cabinet, Dr. Svanda, is making the necessary arrangements for the swearing in of the incoming President, Comrade E.D. Mnangagwa. I am advised that the swearing in ceremony is planned for Friday, 24 November 2017. Details will be provided later by the relevant authority. That ends my press statement. Thank you.